Good afternoon, class. Here we have a very short video dealing with how to plot using MATLAB. So there are multiple ways you can plot using MATLAB. We're going to use a very simple one. We're going to use the fplot function. For example, which looks like this. Here's the format. You have fplot, open brackets, you have the function, comma, and then the interval over which you want to plot it, and in brackets. For example, if we wanted to plot y, where y is the height of something, and that's t cubed minus 30t plus 10, and for some reason we're interested in that over the range of 0 to 8, how would we plot that using MATLAB? Well, here is what the little script looks like that will do that. So first of all, we have to tell MATLAB what variable we're using. So the sims t tells MATLAB that t, which in this case is time, is our symbolic variable t. And then here's our fplot, and then there's our function. There's my t cubed minus 30t plus 10. And then I have a comma, and then the range is in square brackets, and I have 0 to 10 right now. That's not quite right. I'll come back and adjust it. And then the end brackets. So there's, once I've made it symbolic, this little guy right here will plot it all. Now I'm going to put a grid on my graph because it makes it easier to read. So let's see, we save this, and when we run it, what do we get? Let's see what happens. Well, all right, so there's our plot. It goes from 0 up to 10, and we see the plot of our guy. It's extremely easy. The grid makes it easy to see where you are on there. Let's see, what did we want? We actually wanted this from 0 to 8. So I'm going to come back here and change it, plot it from 0 to 8. Make it look slightly different. All right, let's save that, run it. And there we go. So there's our plot. Very easy to plot using the fplot command. If you want to see more details on how that guy works, use the helper up here. If I just type in fplot, F-P-L-O-T, there's one we want. If I click on this guy, a help window opens up. And you can see there are different ways to use fplot, but this is the one we're interested in. We want the fplot over this interval. Whoop, there we go. So I can scroll right down here. That's the one I'm doing. There's my function, there's my interval. And if I want to see examples, I can just click on this button, and it'll go to some examples if I want to plot this sort of stuff. Here's a little program that will do that. So I recommend the help window at the top of your screen. If you're not quite sure how any of this works, typing stuff right up in here will get you lots of help. Good luck and have fun.